How to create a Google account. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To create yourself your Google account, firstly tap open your Google. If you have not created it yet, you will see the option of create an account. In my case, I'll be selecting on add another account. To start off, verify yourself. Then select on create account button. Tap on for my personal use. Enter your first name and last name. Then select on the next button. For the basic information, add your date of birth and your gender. Then again, select on next. Enter the username that will be your Gmail address from now on. Make sure that it is not taken. Once done, select on next. Now, create yourself a password for your Gmail account and select on the next button. Save your password to Google to never forget one. After which, you can thoroughly read out the privacy and terms of Google and select on I agree. And voila, just like that, you have created yourself your very own Google account. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.